What's the deal, my people? My fun little Wixicans. What goes on? How's everyone doing? How's everybody's evening or morning? We are good to roll here. Ooh, we just had the hourly flip, huh? Interesting. Maybe we're a little late to this flip, but let's see if we can get some bullish closures here. This is actually a nice, interesting area. Let's wait. Let's see if we get 200 in here and we'll get into a breakdown. Who's in here? Mods in here? Any mods? Let's see a single mod in here. What happened to Green? He's on vacation? Vacation. Way at. Way at. Yo, not a single. Y'all left me alone in here? Let me get jumped. What's the deal? How you gonna do that to me? I'm gonna need more mods up in these chats. What's the deal, Janasio? Appreciate you. Wow, 5 months. Thank you. Appreciate you. That's because nothing happened, just manipulation. Yeah, we paid for it. Okay. No, we're still not at 200. Chat, drop a like, sub to the channel. Let's get to 200. Ooh, there we go. We are past 200. People are slowly rolling in. So the daily did reject strong bearish here, and now we've opened up coming down here on the daily, but I don't believe this is the top wick if we are to drive for the daily. All right, this is 11 pip top wick. I don't know, it might be, but I don't believe so. I think we still need to come up and create a steeper top wick, at least 36 areas, 37 areas. The 4 hours closed bearish, so we're gonna, but this current 4 hour has failed to do much. Very small candle. Let's see if the hourly can reject here, and if we can close bullish by 9. This is very interesting. I'm gonna drop down to the 5 to mark up a level here. I want to see if it's the same level on the hourly. It looks like it is. Okay, so we'll look to see if we can tap that area to look for buys. If we don't and we close bullish here, even let's see how the 5 closes. We might have even buys on the next candle. This was a really nice rejection here. Let's see. I gotta see if we can respect 1929.45 here. If we can close bullish above it and then come down with a steep wick to at least 29.22 here. We'll look for positions on the next 5-minute candle. It's possible because the 15 at that point will close bullish here. Let's see what happens. But we got 3 minutes for that to play out. For now, let's mark up some levels. It's looking really interesting here. Okay, perfect. So if we come up here before we're able to take some buys, obviously I'm going to look for sells at 38.26. I think we have to come up to at least there on the daily in order for us to continue down. Okay, so we would need to see us drive up here. Right? Before seeing any of this. Before we see any of this, this is what I'm expecting the higher time frame to look like here. And we can either take advantage of this or we can take advantage of this. And the reason I expect it to look like that is because I remember looking at this morning and yesterday. Because we've been in the same ranges. Let's see where we are. The hourly, okay. It's the 5. See where I saw this yesterday. Right? Okay. So I think this was the move on the higher time frame, yeah, June 21st. But in order for us to fill this range down, in order for us to fill this whole range down, see as the market came down here, it rebroke lows, and then it grabbed a steep wick for the higher time frame for the 4-hour and a daily before filling that range down. So I believe we're gonna have to reject around here, grab a steep wick before eventually coming down. Well, we tapped 1937. I don't know, it might top out at 34, but ideally we come down to 29 and reject to 30 to 38 areas before the drive down. But we need to see some bullish candles print here. right? And that 15 only closed doji. Let's see. Well, we may reject here, and it's highly likely we rejected this area. It's not a given, so I'd want some kind of bullish close. Or I'd want us to break all the lows here to around 1928. Then we can look for positions. But as it comes up here and does close bullish, you're not missing out on anything. That's just a necessary confirmation you need to wait for before making your decision. Breaking down. If we can come down lower here, it'd be interesting. But we've seen this in the past, right? An area where I've pointed this out to you guys plenty of times. Support that we've closed at before, a lot of times it won't come back to close at it. It'll come back and just tap it and flip. So pay attention to that. See, the issue here is there's a lot of volume and we're tapping the support with this ridiculous drive down, right? So there was volume bring us down here, so I'd want to see us establish a support before just taking a buy against all the volume in the world. If we were kind of ranging and doing this, I would look for a position. I might have taken buys right as we tapped this area. But with this bearish volume was coming down, I'm going to wait for something to get established here. Have a long bias? No, I'm bullish until 37. I am bearish overall. I believe we have to come down, but in order for us to come down, I don't think we're just going to continue down without grabbing orders back at 37, 38 areas. That's why I have 38 marked up over here, because I expect us to come back over there, and at that area I want to look for sells. This is a strong support bar from 1930, 23 area, and yeah, it's a lot of area. Yes. Do you guys think Hitler is, man?
What a stupid question that is.
The dentist was all right for me. It was for the little one. The big one. I closed out a break even. 2 pips. I made 2 pips today. Break even basically. See, look at the daily. Daily's filling the previous daily wick. I need to see some kind of rejection. For now, it's just nothing but bearish. Ooh, 2 hour no top wick. Previous hour no top wick. But we've spent the first 30 minutes here at this low, not moving anywhere. You hit daily, mate. Okay. Let's see. With 30 flip. So if we get a bullish 30 closure here, I'm going to wait on a bottom wick on the next 30 to break the lows here so we can take the buys. D-buys. How many people allowed at the table during the session? As many as join. Right now we have 11. Typically we get somewhere between 14 to 18, I think, or 12 to 18. Yeah. You keep up with the actual fundamental. I mean, I'm aware of the fundamentals. I don't really care for them unless I see it printed on the charts. There's no news right now. Any shit going on. You know what I'm saying? Nothing. Tomorrow though, unemployment claims. Yiddy. Should be fun. So price action over fundamentals? No, not necessarily. I just believe the fundamentals, like the charts can't go nowhere, right? The fundamentals will be reflected on the charts. Like one can't go without the other. I'm gonna see the fundamentals play out in the candles, right? If I see the candles, you know, setting up for my buy position, but the fundamentals are telling me sell, it's not setting up for a sell position, and for me, it's setting up for a buy position for me, right? So I'll have to make the case for where I can get that buy, and if at the very least I'll be aware that, you know, that the fundamentals are against me, so I would be careful trading, but I would still need to see things reflected on the charts. Can't do anything without that. Schnobgoblin Cobnobbler. I barely said that one time. I don't know what that even means. Thank you, Travis M. Appreciate the $5. Now I can take my ass to Five Below and buy some 5 nights at Freddy's plushies for all you parents out there. Broke the low here, huh? There's a quick little drop ski. Can we reject? Ooh, no top wick, huh? What is it? What is it happening to here? Yeah, fundamentals are always important. And I mean, you need to know what the hell's going on and what's driving price and what kind of momentum, what kind of volume to expect, more or less, right? And in which direction to expect it and be ready for it. Because mind's a funny thing, right? It'll talk you into positions that aren't there. It'll talk you out of positions that are there. So it always helps to have more information at your disposal to make the higher quality decision. Yes. See, 30 close. Where we get a bottom wick? If no bottom wick, maybe we can get a bottom wick on the next candle, but where can we tap into? We're gonna expect the hourly to flip. Wait, did that close with no bottom wick? I left one, but it's tiny. What are we mirroring over here? Let's see if we can close bearish here on the hourly with a bottom wick. If it doesn't fill the range, we'll look for a top wick to 1931 to take some sells to come down. Well, it depends on how the hourly closes, all right? So if the hourly closes like this, it will be our duty to grab this top wick and fill the range. But if it fills the range before then, we will look for buys at this area, 1922.492, looking for a repeat of this or a repeat of that. Yeah, exactly, Eddie. You didn't pay attention to what the charts were doing. A lot of volume. Yeah, if we can come up here, 1929 areas for a top wick. I would look for 1930 area even. I'll look for a sell. Because now the 30s close below here. The hourly is most likely going to close below there. could get the next hourly to come up, tap these areas. Right? Give us the top wick and then fill the range down. So let's see. It might come down with without us. It's a lot of volume here, so nothing I can do if it comes down here. I mean, I'd be more comfortable if we grab some more liquidity, but then you got to understand this is the Asian session. But if it comes down here and it fills the range, then we can look for some buys at 22 areas. What's the deal, Damon? How are you? Hey, my God, taking a night off. He didn't even call out. No warning. No sick note. No 2-week notice. No nothing. Oh, there he is. Must have been late. Shout out to the 420 watching right now. You guys are the best. So last time we came down here, I think we tapped 29.02, right? As we came down from this area, kind of tapped these areas that we did today, and then came back to 1929.02 there before coming down. Yeah, let's see if we can tap 29. Strong hourly candle, strong 4-hour push. Be interested to see if this holds for the next 4 hour. 23 minutes here. So you scalp? You a hybrid? I don't know. I'm a janitor. I don't know what you talk about. Yeah, I just trade. I don't know, like, I don't know what defines me. I don't have a. Can't put me in a box. All right. Coming down here. expect to pop right now. This thing on? Yep. What up? They were ganging up on me earlier, Kieran, until my God and you came around. Oh, and Jay was here. Trying to bully the streamer. How the tables have turned. The news were sad about inflation. Anybody else sad about inflation? The reversal of the Asian V. Wix, you setting me up for something. You setting me up for something, Mr. Coleman. I know it. Oh, get ready for this drop. Just gonna fill the range here. If it comes back up and it doesn't fill the range, we'll look for sells at 29. If it fills the range, it might actually range at these lows. Might fill the range, and that'll be the evening. Because if you think about what has to happen for us to actually retap 28,704, quite a few candles we'll have to print. Might as well get a few pippy whippies. I mean, yeah, if you want to take the sells here, for me to be comfortable, I just, on the 30 close, I wanted a wick. But it had so much volume that it made sense for it to drive off the 4 hour, off the 1 hour. My comfort level wasn't there. Especially with the 1 hour not having a top wick. I was expecting us to come back up, re-break steeper high before it drives down. got 20 on a sell. Yeah, Meitan, would you, if you sold in the 30 close, if you just took that sell off the rip on the 30 close, you probably, yeah, you're probably sitting around 20. Those 6, 8, like 18 pips, yeah. I wish I had FOMO. I don't know. Maybe wrong because first time watching news last comment, but for me, it's driving down 2 price ranges. One is done, second is coming. I don't know. Every time I lose, I blame Wix. It helps with psychology. Perfect. Perfecto. Thought Don's chat was bad. You play sports? Like professionally? Yeah, all of them. I'm a professional hockey, football, soccer, basketball, tennis player. Also, I do professional curling. I'm a professional fencer. And I also do underwater skydiving professionally. I'm ranked, actually, world ranked. And I travel and do professional competitions with my synchronized swimming team. We're all very professional. Ping pong. You embarrassed they wide receivers? Damn. Oakland Raiders. That was a long time ago. You know they're in Vegas now, right? Where's Don? He's camping out the dealership. Camping outside the dealership. I don't know, chat. I don't know where he is. Probably enjoying his evening. That's what I would be doing if I wasn't streaming. I'd be out enjoying my evening. I'm enjoying this as well, but I'd be out and about. Sounds professional. You must be good at what you do. Yeah. You don't know the half of it. Have you been watching football this season? Unfortunately, no. I've just been catching it on internet. That's only on there. Because, hold on, I'm a professional tape flipper as well. Green nose. Were you able to take a FOMC trade? Yeah, break even. What's a pain apple? It's when somebody throws an apple at you and it fucking hits you in the forehead and you get a bruise. And then it's called a pain apple. Big ass fucking knot on your shit. Wow, that was a nice drop. Nice 20 pip drop on that. Alright, last 8 here of the hourly, of the 4 hour. It's gonna be tough. I highly doubt we'll come back up, grab liquid. If we do, if we come back up and grab a top wick, great. But I doubt. I think we're gonna finish out the range here. We'll see. Especially with all that volume from the whole day. FOMC rejecting, come back in the range. We're gonna come back for the range. Hey, Apple got me fucked up. Baby mama beat you. She don't got you fucked up. You got her fucked up, making her chuck those from. Making us chuck those at you. No worries, GG. This volume is just no entry for me. In my experience, days after FOMC are highly volatile. A lot of volume, a lot of momentum. Tomorrow should be an aggro day. Tomorrow should for sure be an aggro day. First of all, we've rejected really strongly. Second of all, we've created range with all these drives. So whenever we come back through these areas, we're going to just drive through them. We've cleared out all these orders. Tomorrow should be an aggro day. And tomorrow we have unemployment claims. Yes. So we have a red folder tomorrow. Let's see what happens here. Let's see how the 4-hour closes. Still rather come up and grab a top wick if we're close here in 4 minutes without filling the range down. I would rather us come back up on the opening for about 30-40 pips. You got 3 minutes left here, and we could just, at 8:58, we could just drop here straight through to fill the range down. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Chat, drop a like if you're enjoying today's session. Sub to the channel if you're new here. And drop a like anyway, enjoying it or not. Thank you for showing up. Bit of a wild day here. But we are still here. Yeah, let's just drop. I said 8:58. It's 8:58. One minute on the 4-hour. The previous 4-hour doesn't have a top wick. Can we come up and make one on the next 4-hour? Oh, I'm sorry, previous 2 hours. Sorry, no, the previous 4-hour has a top wick. 4-hour. Small bottom wick. Study. Send them, yeah, doctor. That's cool. Hey, Daniel. How you start trading and how's your first 3 months? They were full of losses. My first 3 to 4 months. What are the lines supposed to mean? This one's for mommy. This one's for daddy. No, these are just key areas where I think price needs to make a decision and either respect or break them, and then we can make a decision. Why Tsunami Boy? Like, that sounds really mean. Right? That's something you would call a fat kid at the pool. Like, Tsunami Boy right there. Why are you Tsunami Boy? Clue me in, I'm kind of curious. Oh shit, everybody out the pool, Tsunami Boy coming. He about to jump. Up. If the downside momentum continues, lowest range it can fall. Do you see below 1900? Oh yeah, definitely see below 1900. Yes. We were talking about this on, I think, on Monday as we were over here at 38 areas. We're coming up there that the weekly might flip. If the weekly flips, we're coming down to 1880. I was a Tsunami Boy. Okay, Google. Just gonna log that away. Thanks for that info. Thanks for the info on Jesse. Only a light on light. Well, here's the thing. We're kind of light on viewers today, and it happens every time Don has a long stream. When Don has a long stream, the viewers of this stream drop by like half. I think people like pass out after that and just can't get up for Asian. See, this is interesting. If we can come back up and tap 28, 28.7, we'll look for sells. Just on this last drive down, look at the 4-hour. Came down, found support at this area, came back, tapped, created this resistance to finish the range out. So if we get back here, we can look for sells to finish the range out, 28 to 22. If it doesn't fill the range now. Hard to trade an edge. It doesn't prevent you from attempting. Like what's preventing you from attempting doing something difficult? Is it lack of confidence that you can get it done? Think about the epic story you'll be able to tell when you get it done. What did you think of my plan? Sounds good. Wait, what's your plan? Hold on, I have no idea what the fuck you're talking about. Sounds good. What? It will stop at 2220, then buy at 1935 because unemployment claims, then sell again. Well, we don't know what unemployment claims hold. Volume, yeah, you might not have a catalyst to push it up. You might just trickle down slowly to 22. We'll see what happens. Let's not predict, but let's have a plan for what happens. We haven't seen any volume on this new 4-hour. Just dead stop. Uh-oh. What's up, Wix 10? Sorry, Wix 11. Innocent 26. Cool. Alright. 26 was the previous 30 close, right? Before over there. Yeah, 26.8. I've been noticing a solid 20 pip counter Asian trend trading London after the Asian session volume. Perfect. So, okay, so now that you notice that, remember, the question is always why? Why is it happening? If you can now go to the charts and realize, all right, we're going to have a 20 pip counter trend because it happens daily, right? Why is it happening? What has happened here in the market on the charts? What printed that made it do that? Right? So now look where the charts printed that did that and see if you can find a pattern that you can take advantage of that keeps printing and see where you can get the best possible entry. Key is question here is why? What did the charts do for it to do that? First thing you need to do is be able to recognize the proper part. And don't just go like, why do the charts turn on? Look for candles printing and see what gives it away. Why is it doing that? Why did the move down happen? Or why did the move up happen? Where was the rejection? Why did it happen? Did it tap a certain area, tap a key level? Did it hold? Did it close a certain way? Did it open a certain way? I expect the report on my desk by tomorrow morning. Final buys here because we haven't found support. This is just a 15-minute bullish closure after a massive drive down, and it never tapped this key area here. I believe if we make a steep enough top wick, we can look for sells. And steep enough, I mean on the 4-hour, which means we could literally spend the next few hours driving up. The buys I will take below 22. I need us to break 22 for me to look for buys. High spreads in Asian session. No, it's not really. Same spreads as New York right now. Maybe 3/10 of a pip higher. They're ranging. They're jumping up and down. Trend is still bullish. There will be no sells until next Monday. Well, except for the sells on the last 30-minute candle for about half the people on this stream. Except that previous 30 sell over there that came down. But outside of that, there will be no sells. Okay, well, maybe for the next bearish candle, but that's it. What up? That emote kills me. I love it. It's great. Yeah, I believe we are making a top wick here for the hourly. Might not be, we might come back up, but I believe the way we are printing here and the strong momentum we had coming down, we're printing a top wick. Shoot for the 4 hour. We get to 1929, I will look for sells. $30 pips away. No guarantee we get there. We might break the previous 30-minute high and continue down. That might be it, but that's not an entry for me. So what you're saying is full margin? No, what I'm saying is only fools margin. Only fools margin. Give me the top wick. Give me the top wick. I love how there's multiple streams on Asian session. Whoa, 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 whoa. Where, whoa, 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 whoa. No. I'm bringing a blasphemy in here. This is the Asian session. It's the #1 rated most running, longest running Asian session on all of the YouTubes. Yeah, no, I love it. I love the fact that people are actually, you know, coming out the woodwork and, you know, trading, showing what they're made of. I love it. The industry's growing, and as long as it stays, you know, toxicity free, which we know can't happen. There's always going to be, you know, toxicity in this industry. Hold on a second, guy. Get a water. Get a water. Yes, best way to start your day. Hope years after shameless plugs continue. Yes. Alright, hold on. What's going on here? The 30 is going to close bullish, but it's not closing bullish at any significant area at the moment. I mean, it is, but it isn't. But yeah, good thing. Lots of streamers coming up these days. The good thing about them, like the good thing about having all these streamers come up, is that there's only one mod god. The boy's on every stream. It doesn't matter who's coming up, I'm gonna know about it. Because mod god's in there. My boy's gonna have the inside scoop on everybody. You just want to make it in this YouTube mod game, you just right there, just DM Green fermentorships. I think he's gonna put out a class on modding. We'll do like a in-person mod class. Will you be live streaming with Don for the next year coming, or until when? Well, I signed a 2-year contract, so at least the next 2 years, with a trader option afterwards. So 2 years, and then I get the option whether I want to renew or I ask to be traded. What lot size would you recommend for a 50K funded account? That trades like you and Donvo, 0.0000000.0000001. And then none of you guys would be sweating in the trade. Nobody. There would not be a single complaint during a trade like today. Not to say, imagine all 5,000 people singing Kumbaya. 2 decimals is crazy. I said everybody in the chat singing Kumbaya, not you singing Kumbaya over here. All right, shush. Kids are cool until they're someone else's. Then get rid of them. There wouldn't be any profit. It doesn't matter. There would be lessons on lessons on lessons, and then there would be profit for everybody. I mean, there would be profit, but it would only be for me and Don. But little lots make you disciplined. Without that, imagine you with a big account. Yeah, that's all you're going to be able to do is imagine. Absolutely. What? Nobody wanting a 100 pip drawdown? Shit. Bring it on. Come on. Come on. Hey, Wiggs got my MFF pay. I was trying to tell somebody yesterday that's the best funding company. If you need to join, definitely MFF. You could sit on their side in the courtroom too. Is yesterday's New York trade still running? You mean this morning's? No, they were closed off. All right, chat, we're gonna get in a position here. Stop sleeping. Damn, what happened to you, dog? I told you Colombia was dangerous. What happened to your elbow? Be honest. No, show me the other elbow. You lying? Nah, don't show me the other elbow. Oh, damn. Hold on. You got some road rash? What'd you do? You try to Tony Hawk the valley? What did you do? I told you not to go skiing without elbow pads and shoulder pads and maybe a couple of straws. What happened? See, this is how this is going to start, Chad. I already know how the story is going to start. It's going to go like this. See, what happened was... Y'all ain't going to believe this shit. Damn. No, that one's down to earth as hell. It's not on that background. Colombia eating that man up. Word. Boy left a kneecap and 2 elbows on Colombian pavement. Alright, we're riding up here. Coming on up. Chat, I'm going to take a sell if we get to 28, 29 areas here, but we need to get there. Tell him you can't hear him. Of course we can't hear him. He doesn't have a fucking mic. Sign language, bro. Blink twice if you need us to call the ambulance. And what kind of hospital bed is that? They ran out of mattresses. Hang them up between those trees in the yard. Yeah, Chad, if you go to Colombia, bring your own mattress. Straight up. Flew off the moped at 45 miles an hour. Damn, trying to impress some shorties, huh? Yeah, whatever. Everybody says they fell off a moped. I know what you was doing. Whatever. He fell off a moped, chat. Yeah. I once went to 11. No, I once went to space, and from space I went to 11, and also fell off a moped inside 11. It's crazy. I was looking like you. I also fell off a moped. What part of Colombia? Right near the beach, boy. How'd you call it, a moped? I don't know. That's what Tino said. Tino said it was a moped. We believe him, right, chat? Yeah, you call them mopeds. I call them 6 tequilas and a blackout. I mean, whatever it is, you know. It's just whatever you call it. I don't care what you call it. It is what it is, right? Different people call it different things. I didn't know that it was called a moped though. Over there. All right, can we come up? Concussion on 2 wheels. So, are you suing anyone? You gonna sue anybody? No? You should sue that hotel for fucking giving you that whatever you're hanging, whatever you're sleeping on. Tell them motherfuckers you need a bed. He's on a hammock. Yeah, this hammock sleeps 6. This is a 6 sleeper. You got a bunk hammock. Suing is Wix's thing? Yeah, I know. Remember when you guys asked me what I do for fun? Litigation, baby. Just sue people for fun. You grab a basketball and go to the courts. I grab a pen and a pad and I go straight to the courthouse. I'd like to press charges on everybody. Suing everybody. Kieran's like, I could get behind that movement. Oh shit. Wix's new Karen. Word. It's not a new movement, but it's damn profitable. Been dying to sue. Word. Just give me a reason. Wait. Hold on, gang. Give me a sec. Jay will talk to you over here. Why no buy? Because I'm still expecting us to come down. This candle can flip at any moment. But I would be a lot more comfortable if it tapped 29 first. And yeah, that would be an hourly bullish close, but it would be a top wick for the 4 hour. Kind of quiet in here. It's the quietest room ever with 500 people in it. You know, if we were all in one hall, 500 people, it'd be like a fucking stadium. I gotta yell top of my lungs at end of every sentence, shut the fuck up. But over here, this is nice and quiet. You guys pay attention. This is good. Yeah, take it easy, Nate. Luckily, moped was good. Plugged my arm, got to the nearest small town before dark, like 30 minutes away. It's interesting. Enjoying the new pad. No, this isn't this is temporary. I'm here for right now. As of right now, I'm here till October 6th and then the new pad. You're religious, you don't mess with alcohol drinks. It's alright, not everybody's perfect, Jason. Don't be upset. Let's see, if we can get this hourly now to close with no top wick, or if we can get it, if that's what happens, if the market provides that, then you guys already know. Buy, all buy, all buy, all buy, all buy, buy, buy. We're gonna look for sells. Schmells.
How long is this going to take?
As long as it has to. I ain't doing shit till I get a picture of Bridget, bro.
Bruh.
New soundboard's on point.
Yeah, I've been working real hard at it.
No, man, it's real good.
Wix, you
Trying to see if Bridget is pulling the wagon. And yeah, she got fucking 2 donkeys and a fucking.
Yeah, I'm so glad. Because at this point, she'd have been called in custody.
Word. 2 donkeys and a llama, yo.
Her husband's sitting there watching the show, like trying to learn how to trade. Their daughter definitely was the trader.
They're not watching this.
Well, I just thought about it too after I said it. Like, damn, now I made it very awkward. Right.
Coming up, coming up, coming up, coming up. Key closure. 12 minutes. 11 minutes. And if we were going to flip here on this hourly, we would have done it already. The key is going to be how we open. Do we open with a top wick right away to 29, or do we open with a bottom wick breaking the lows of the previous hour? Or do we just range in this area and trickle down? A little too soon there on the trigger. Just requested withdrawal to pay for a fund. Wish me luck. Psych. Got skills, bitch. I'm Gucci. Yeah, you know, this is gonna be at 1930 here. 1930.3, 30.5. That's where I want this to tap. Well, I'm gonna have sells there. It's looking like it might be pre-London, but the way we're printing right now, I would like sells there. What's gonna happen here in 8 minutes is we're gonna watch the next hourly open, either drive up or drive down and break the lows, and we'll make a decision. Yeah, what's going on? We got to 400 likes yesterday. Not even at 300 today. It's let's put those fingers to work. People sleep on your stream wicks, they miss out. Yes. Good point, Swanee. You can be here. Why can't they? Brokies. It's up to each one of us to help ourselves. I mean, who else is going to help you, right? Outside of your parents? No one cares. No one's obligated. Except you. Help yourself. I feel that.
Damn.
I'm tired, bro.
I mean, y'all, let's talk about something. Shit. How was everyone's
I'm, wait-
day?
I'm waiting on this hourly close.
Yeah, that's
Forget
what I'm
everyone's day. Forget everyone's day. Nobody cares. Let's make some money. I had a very interesting phone call a second ago. What's your favorite superpower? Make money. Let's see. I want to see how we open up here. Before we begin any ride up here, I have to retest 2249. We're gonna have to break the lows. We can just open up with a top wick here first, come up. Would not mind the sells. Well, the daily will flip at 1930. Yeah, I'm fine with that. If it does that, it'll grab more liquidity and then come back down. But I'm not expecting a drive up on the daily after today's rejection. I'm expecting just top wicks to come down. It would be perfect too, because if this 2 hour doesn't have a top, it would be nice if we could do it in the next hour. Love your streams. Thank you for coming through. Drop a like, sub to the channel. Let's see if we can come up here to 1929, 1930 areas. Might not be enough volume to drive up 40 pips, but we'll see. Today was a high volume day, so clean ranges, right? Do you ever have a dream job? Yes, this is what it is. Take some trades. I go do what I need to do. And I enjoy my family. Yeah. Pretty good job. Like, yeah, obviously I wanted to play in the NBA. Obviously, right? But realistically, I enjoy what I do. Truly, truly enjoy and appreciate the fact that I enjoy what I do, right? Not everybody can say that, so. Regardless of anything, I'm still blessed. Yo, who the fuck is laughing over there? I'm
My girl.
trying to have a touching moment. You can't bring her ass to a funeral. Like, ha!
It was Bridget.
Definitely not Bridget. Oh, that was real? Yeah, I thought that was a soundbite too for a
What?
second. Cornstar. Thought that was a button. Me too, I thought it was a button. Should have been an actor, Wix. Hey, look, Hollywood. Let me know. I'm not a Hollywood type. I'm more of like a stand-up type, not a Hollywood type. Ooh. What's up, brother? That's funny. Alright. So what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on for us to come up here before we flip. If we flip here and start driving down, I'm gonna call it a session. I'm waiting for this candle to continue up to see if we can tap 29, 30 areas to take a sell. But if we can't, Wix 12 in the room? No, Wix 10, 11, and 12 are all sleeping. All of them. If we can't, what does it mean? What do you mean if we can't? If the market, if the candles don't drive up and flip, then that's it, my man. That's it. No trades for you. Why no trades for you? We've been tapped where I wanted to tap, but let's see. Let's be a little patient. I'm gonna be a little patient and stay over here for a little bit. Just to see this candle play out. Yeah, if this candle flips here, it means it's gonna come down and grab some orders. before driving up. And at that point, once it starts driving up, we're going to need to see an established resistance, established rejection, because it'll have grabbed orders previously, and it might have enough liquidity grab to drive us up to 36, 37 areas. But if it doesn't flip here, doesn't take the bottom wick here, and just continues up here, then you would assume that with a high degree of probability, it'll have to either come back down, retest the lows, or if it is bullish to go up, it'll have to come down on a next higher time frame candle with a bottom wick and grab orders before driving up. So the safe sells would be here at 29.30 area. Are you from Toronto? No, I'm not from the 6. They told you right there, right near the beach. Yes, Florida. That's right. Don't you watch the news? Don't you know who I am? Florida man. Word. I've been making news rounds since the fucking 1900s. Alright, what are you gonna do here? What you doing? New subscriber Damo channel. Like the job you guys doing, follow your strategy, learn a lot. Thanks. Yes, sir. All you gotta do is get the signals. It's coming.
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
Nah, we don't have signals here, but you can sub to Don's Don signals to really be in tune. Yeah, go controllerfx.com, cop the signals there. You have a copy trading account. It's in the works. It will be coming. Things will be coming. There will be a devious spam. Yeah, flip tape coming soon. How would that work? It would be a PAM, and it'll be our trades, and you guys will have a chance to copy trade. Can you explain a PAM? Yeah, you get a master account, and the master account takes trades, and then there's a bunch of follower accounts that attach their account to the master account, and all they do is watch. Don't touch nothing, you just watch the master account take trades, and then you allocate the percentage you want it to trade of your account. So if you want it to trade 1-to-1, it'll trade 1-to-1 percentage wise. If you want it to trade 1-to-2, it'll trade double the percentage. It's PAM with 2 M's, P-A-M-M. It's gonna be expensive. It's gonna be, no, it's not gonna be expensive for you. You're just gonna get a small cut. You're probably gonna get like a 15-20%, and the PAM account will probably take 70 or 80%. But if somebody told you, hey, you can get 20% on your money, I think you would do it. I mean, the best PAMs out there are like 90%. The best PAMs probably take like 90%, and you keep 10%. Are you crazy? I'm not crazy. I know how PAMs work. Don't want to put in this time becoming profitable, switch to autopilot. Yeah, I know. I agree with you. I'm with you. But there are thousands upon thousands of people that are in the other boat, right? $80-20, yeah, 80-20 sounds legit. Okay, Ricardo. Sure. I don't need to read. I'm in the space. Like, trust me, I know. If we want to, we can make it 95-5. Your son, I'm not selling a PAM at all. There is no PAM. I'm telling you, people are interested, and I get DMs all the time. If we have a copy trader, do I have a copy trader? I've got over 100 DMs in the last maybe 2 months about copy trading. So since there's such a huge demand for copy trading, it's something that we're going to look into and try to do for the community, right? But because you're putting in no work and we're putting in all the work, So do it, but no 90%. I'm not saying it will be 90%. I'm just saying there are PAMs, probably some of the best PAMs out there, charge around 90%. Not saying that's what I'm doing. I'm also telling you that it's not illegal like you're stating. You're like, no, damn it, that's illegal. We're in a virtual PAM right now. Wick's getting 100%. I'm getting nothing of your money. Yeah, you don't have to. You don't have to join the PAM. Just it's going to be offered to the people that want to. Yeah, 4-hour close will probably be ideal because you can still get a buy or a sell in the next 4 hours, depending where you get to first. What's 20% of them? No, you're calculating it wrong. It's not 20%. You're not okay, I see where the disconnect is. You're not making 20% on your money. I'm telling you, you're making 20% off whatever profits there are. So whatever the account profits, you make 20% off of the profits. Now, what those profits are, you don't know. It could be 1%, it could be 3%, and you're only going to keep 20% of whatever those profits are. That's how a PAM works. That is not a PAM, that is a hedge fund, Wix. Well, the idea behind the hedge fund is very similar because a hedge fund will provide their own in-house traders and you are strictly an investor. So yeah, like I guess for the United States customers, right, for it to be a legitimate PAM, it would have to be a hedge fund, technically. So you're not wrong there. Not similar, brother. I'm not misleading. That's what a PAM account is. Go to any broker that offers PAM accounts, and you can allocate your funds, and that's how it works. So show me your LinkedIn. I always get that one person that just wants to argue with you. I'm telling you, man, that's how this thing works. There's no if, ands, or buts. There's no discussion here of that's wrong info. No, that's the info. You can take it whatever you want to do. No, you win the same percentage, but your money. Okay, look, if you take $100,000 and invest it in a PAM, and the trader makes 20%, you made $120,000, correct? Now, I mean, you made $20,000. Now, off that $20,000 that was made on your 100K, you will keep 20%, which will be $4,000 if the allocation of that asset is 80-20. If the split is 80-20, you will make $4,000, which is 20%. That's how a PAM works. You do not make 20% on your money. You make 20% off the profit split. Very simple. Plus slot rebates. Who's making lot rebates? What the fuck are you saying? All right. This is for way in the future. This conversation is realistically half a year to a year away. Trying to explain just basic shit, and you guys are getting into like the weeds of, oh, this can't, you can't do that. Oh, this has to be like that. Look, man, that's how a PAM works. That's the idea. That's the idea behind it. Whatever is legal or illegal, we are all from different parts of the world here. So whatever is legal in China might not be legal in Taiwan or wait a minute. Or whatever is legal in the US might not be legal, you know, in France. But you find out your own legalities. But yeah, the hedge fund charges a management fee with that as well, yes. But that's how it works. Anyway, oh, we went way off track. Just trying to explain some basic stuff, how PAM works. I'm trying to argue with you. The only thing is, what's the risk for client? Client will typically on a PAM, you'll adjust your own risk. So you trade, you can adjust like one-to-one. You adjust your risk in accordance based on the master account. So if you want to risk double, you know, or if you want to risk half, let's say the master account opens one lot, you'll open a 0.5 lot. But if you want to risk one-to-one identically, then you'll, you know, whatever percentage of the account the master opens, that's that percentage of your account, your position will open. Test trend Debo, basic stuff. Ronnie Coleman, yes. Alright, this hourly's really done nothing, right? It's just kind of ranged around here for the last half hour, for the first half hour. But yeah, this overall, even though it's coming, it's many months in the future. But I do believe it'll help bring up the industry. Our trade plan? Well, I have my trade plan, and it's not going to be here until 1 a.m. I will look at the charts at 1 a.m., 12:30, see if we've reached any of these areas, and I'll take positions. I am. No, people give me Ricardo. Why are you guys catching feelings? You guys are so emotional after today. I'm just trying to explain basic stuff. Anyway, hope we see you tomorrow. Everyone, Steezy and Ricardo. Hopefully tomorrow you guys can sit down at the same table and smoke a peace pipe. Sing some kumbaya. Alright, stop. Smoke some Zot, relax the mind. We're talking, this guy come ask for track record. No, but because you're talking like you know for a fact, and it doesn't come off right because like I do this, bro. But overall, yeah, I invite the conversation. I always love the conversation, especially when, you know, when we can stay accountable, when we can stay intellectually accountable during the conversation. Yeah. But I don't know. You were insinuating that I get something out of promoting a PAM. There's I don't know. Or that's not how PAM works. Maybe a hedge fund works like that too, but that's how a PAM works. And the best PAMs out there do charge. I mean, I know personally, do charge 90%. Anyway, we've made a bottom wick here, so I'm going to wait for the 4 hour to either break the lows at 22 or come up here and break the highs at 28, at which point we will reassess. But hey, maybe there will be a hedge fund in Devious future. Nobody knows, you know, who knows? Maybe that's in the future as well. So we'll see. Overall, you guys, the stream is free. Come down here and help yourself, right? Don't argue, but help yourself. Let's kick ideas off each other. Let's provide some knowledge and value. And let's see if we can all make our way out of poverty, right? That's the goal. Not trying to be better than the next man. The grind is against poverty. You guys already know that. So I will leave you with that thought. Chat, thank you so much for coming through. All 600 of you, or 520 of you that are still on right now. Love and wisdom to you all. Thank you so much to the mods, everyone in the Zoom. Appreciate you all, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Oh, Jay already dipped. Damn, Jay, not a buy, not a nothing. I'm out. See y'all in the morning. Oh, he did say bye. My bad.
Oh, he did.
He said it a minute ago and dipped. I just seen him dip.
Yeah, he said in the Zoom.
All right, yeah. I saw it.
We'll
All
let him
right,
slide
well,
this time.
Yeah, we'll let him slide. All right, gang, that's our session. I will see you tomorrow on Don's stream at 7:30 in the morning, and also same time, same place, 8 p.m. Eastern, right here on YouTube, as we do every single weekday. The best performing, can I say that? The most popular, the number one viewed Asian session, the most profitable Asian session on all of YouTube. I don't know whichever one it is. I was just waiting for Green to say that. Yes, gang. Just like that, another Asian session is in the books.